Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I will show you how I made all these Christmas pancakes. They are perfect to make for your kids or your family on Christmas morning. I love how cute these pancakes are, and they are so easy and fast to put together. Let's get started with Santa. For Santa, I started with the regular shaped pancake. For his hat, I used strawberries cut in half and a big marshmallow also cut in half. For the beard on the bottom of the hat, I used whipped cream. You can use the one that comes in the bottle. I just had heavy whipping cream around and I whipped it with a little bit of sugar. For his eyes, I used 2 chocolate chips, then I used a piece of strawberry for his nose and chocolate syrup to draw his smile. Our next pancake is Rudolph. I started by making a regular circle pancake, then I made a smaller circle that blended together with the big circle. To make his ears, I just made 2 small ovals. I tried to get one end more narrow than the other one. I also cooked some bacon for this pancake and for the next 2 pancakes I will be making. To put Rudolph together, I placed one ear below the pancake and one ear on top. Then I used bacon for his antlers. For his nose, I used a slice of strawberry and a big marshmallow cut in half for his eye. To draw the pupil and the smile, I used chocolate syrup. Our next pancake is a snowman. For these, I made 2 pancakes, a small one and a big one. To put this pancake together, I started by smearing whipped cream all over the pancakes. For his scarf, I used a few pieces of bacon, then I used chocolate chips for his eyes, orange sprinkles for his nose, and chocolate syrup for his mouth. For his buttons, I used 3 small pieces of strawberries, then I used chocolate syrup to draw his hat and arms on the plate. Next, we have a Christmas tree waffle. For this, I started by dyeing the pancake batter with green food coloring. Then, I used my waffle maker to make the waffle. If you don't have a waffle maker, you can just make this one into a regular circle pancake and follow the same steps I will be doing. Cut the waffle or the pancake into 4 pieces, then stack 3 pieces together to make the tree. Next, I used whipped cream dyed yellow to draw the star, a piece of bacon for the trunk, and added sprinkles all over the waffle. For a snowy look, I sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over the tree. And last but certainly not least, we can't have Christmas without the Grinch. So, for a Grinch pancake, I started with green color pancake batter in a squeeze bottle with a piping tip to outline and fill the shape of the Grinch's face. To draw all the details on his face, I use black decorative gel. For his eyes, I use yellow colored whipped cream and a small piece of strawberry for his pupils. For his hat, I use whipped cream, strawberries, and a marshmallow. And for the last detail, I added his heart that was 2 sizes too small. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn your notifications bell on.